Is he starting to come to the back over here? Yeah. Let me, I don't want this shit. If you need to move to the back over here, go move with them. Won't get him.
Shit,
yeah, that's my deal. Hell yeah. Go to the front over there. I said it too. I was like, you need to bring that big one in, baby. Hell yeah. Damn, dude. It's a big fucker, dude. Man, I hope he ain't over slot. Yeah, I was gonna say, even if he is, you got your tag.
I got both of them pictures. Holy shit, that's a good one.
Heck yeah, baby. Good hook set too.
Yep.
Here, let me. Here, I'll get this. Oh, dude, yeah, just keep a good grip on him. I've lost some fish doing that. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah.
You know what trip it was?
The tiny one. I saw you take that out. I was like, and I said to myself, I was like, I wonder if that's gonna do the trick. Hold him a little out towards me. There you go. Hell yeah. Let's measure him up, baby. Nice, dude. Nice. That's what we came to Rattlesnake for. Nope. 26 and a half.
26 and a half?
Man. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah.
Hell, that's awesome.
Pretty fucking red, dude. Yeah, he took... This entire time I'm casting, but then I'm always just looking at your cork. Because I got nothing to look at.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
I just saw the sun just saw it go. And I'm like, okay.
Hell yeah.
It locked on.
Hell yeah, baby. Man, that's a...
That was awesome.
It's fucking fat, dude.